What?
I don't know if the other mechanic. My license number is supposed to if I start driving. So what do you think will happen? I get a lot more.
I literally just did my feet. I have to shape them up. I did them with polygel. Do not judge. So I bought some grills. Oh, I bought some grills. I'm gonna put this one on the bottom. I don't know if these could fit on the top of them, like, cause my teeth is shaped so weird, so I don't know. Plus I finished my toes. It really came out like how I wanted it, but it should do. Man, I had to cut my hair. I might cut some more. Cut it some more. Shoot. Yeah, like a little shorter. My hair was so damaged. I think it was, I don't know what it was, but I'm gonna have to go in and just clip them. I don't know, I'm trying to do this good as. Are you serious? I don't even know if the water hot enough, but we'll be back. If it don't come out right, I'll just warm like that. And I think I put too much water in it. First of all, how you put this on your teeth? This don't make no sense. Is it hot enough? It is so weird to wear grills. What the heck? How do y'all do this? Hell nah. This spicy tuna bowl. Why is this so dark? I am dark. I'm heating up the rice. This even cook. You can see heat. Okay. I feel like I'm missing something. We're supposed to eat it like that. Seaweed. I don't think I got the right one. But seaweed is seaweed, right? Wait, hold up now. Wait, me gonna rice on top of ya. Oh yeah. I'll give it an 8. Can I crush it? Because I don't want to keep doing this.